Hi there. Good afternoon. I'm Kirsten Nease. I'm out here in Chickahominy Falls in the Westwoods neighborhood. Today we're going to be featuring our single-level townhomes here. These newly modeled homes had their grand opening this weekend, and we just had some great reviews and wanted to share them with you since you didn't get a chance to be there. But let's go take a peek inside. Today we're going to feature the Maymont. This is a brand new plan for Cornerstone Homes. It is a single level townhome, as we said. It's in the middle of the beautiful Caroline and Charlotte. And it just features a beautiful layout with lots of natural light and a really unique special front entrance courtyard. So let's go take a peek at that. So as you enter the Maymont, you'll notice it has this gorgeous courtyard entrance. So we come through and you have this nice little private courtyard, nice bright, and this gorgeous front door, all glass, and side entry. So let's take a peek inside. So you enter, you're gonna see gorgeous dining room here on your right, and this fabulous kitchen. In this home, we're featuring a two-tone kitchen design with the island and a natural wood tone and off-white cabinets on the wall, the beautiful black backsplash, and then this fabulous great room offering lots and lots of space here. This beautiful bank of windows. As you come out, this full light glass door to a beautiful back patio. Nicely sized, great backyard. Again, looking at it through this angle, see all the natural light coming through into this home. Really beautiful, 1,530 square feet. It's all that you need in a home with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Here we have the owner's suite with a tray ceiling. That's standard. Nice king-sized bed. Large dressers on either side. Just offering plenty of space for you. Swing around here into the owner's bathroom. 2 vanities. Here we're featuring all of our black finishes. Nice walk-in shower with a seat. Nice large owner's closet. Especially like these extra shelves. And a nice private water closet. As we come out of the owner suite, you'll notice this nice little niche entrance back into your great room and kitchen area and dining. We're going to head over here to where the guest room is. Again, nicely positioned away from the owner suite, and this room is just grand. So much natural light, plenty of space, large double closet. Again, a view out to that spectacular courtyard and your front entrance. Nice little, plenty of space for a desk. Again, back out here to your dining area. And in this particular model, we're showcasing our upstairs as well. So the base plan is 1,530 square feet, but in this home, we're adding an additional 400 up here in this gorgeous and fun rec room, 3rd bedroom over the garage. So as you come up the stairs, you notice a large walk-in closet here at the top of the stairs. Another closet here, but let's take a peek at this. Just wow, how fun is this? And it's featuring a Juliet balcony overlooking that wonderful courtyard. Again, lots of natural light. Great little space for those grandkids, or put an adult desk up here and make it your office. Just a really fun, fabulous space. Coming back out, you can see this third bathroom with a linen closet as well. Large single vanity, tub and shower, and of course your toilet. And again, those beautiful windows overlooking that awesome courtyard and Juliet balcony. So, and as we come down the stairs, you'll see on the left a nice closet for your entrance hall featuring your low volt, nicely sized laundry room, and in this particular case, storage under the stairs, but a large double closet if there's no stairs there. And again, this is your owner's entry out to your garage. Nicely sized, plenty of room for 2 cars. Again, just look at this natural light that's coming in to the home here.